Hey Rush fam, welcome back to the channel. You know it's Rush, the Discover Boss, and we're here with another update. So what we're taking a look at today is 50 Westminister Road. That's a apartment complex that's currently under construction. It's almost finished, so we're gonna get a updated look at it. Before I do that though, I'm at the entrance to the road where Dunn's Electrical is also expanding their facility, warehouse and hardware facility. So this is their latest construction. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 floors of commercial space that is connected to their existing space, which is the tallest building you can see in front of us. So that's Dunn's Electrical. So before we go and take a look at the new apartment, 50 Westminister, just wanted to show you guys this first. So first of all, if you're new to the channel, if you watch a few videos and haven't subscribed as yet, just click that subscribe button. Subscribing is completely free. Remember to like, remember to comment, and remember to share as well. So stay tuned, we have some drone clips as well. I know you guys would have seen a little portion of that already. So stay tuned for those drone images and drone video. Alright, and we have the trade center right across the road as well. So this is another commercial property. You can call it a plaza. They have quite a few tenants. So that's on Red Hills Road. And then from Red Hills Road, you have Westminister. And what we'll be checking out is 50 Westminister Apartments. So you guys definitely stay tuned for that. And again, leave your comments. Let me know what you think about even this Dunn's Electrical development. And for the existing facility where the fence is at the top, you see that fence and white steel, that's really a turfed football area. So they have football on the rooftop. When we set up the drone, I think you guys will be able to see it better. Then we're going down that side. So that's what we're checking out today. Alright guys, so this is a view of the property from the front. Alright, so we'll go around the corner and we'll also get a side view as well. So they have underground parking, I think 2 floors of underground parking. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then you have the rooftop area. Alright guys, so stay tuned for the side view. So again, 50 Westminister. Alright guys, so this is a side view of the property. So we see balconies. Seems as if every apartment has a balcony. Then you have the rooftop area. As I mentioned, underground parking, rooftop pool, and entertainment. And I think they have a gym as well. So 50 Westminister, let me know your thoughts. The colors are okay. That would look like black or very close to black with cream. So I like the colors. Alright guys, so this is it, and as I mentioned, we'll send up the drone shortly to get some eagle eye view of the property and also to see the surrounding areas in this community as well. So definitely stay tuned for that.